When I uploaded my last video, I forgot a few of the plants on a windowsill that I hadn't actually picked. So here's another video with those picked, and you can see a nice full plate of chilies. That'll be plenty for me to be getting on with for some time. I just move out a bit and show you my houseplant corner, which is my Monstera. In fact, I've got 4 because there were 3 other ones in the same pot. Unfortunately, I can't refocus in the middle of the video except manually. But here we are. So that's one Monstera there, and sort of 3 further ones that are in other pots. One over there, and that's a croton. This just goes to show you shouldn't really buy plants that are reduced in Wilco. They're usually dead or on their way there, but hopefully this will grow new leaves.